Hey, Boxer here from Sihkiddkasper Customs. I got a sihkiddkasper just doing something today. We talked about the inside the box.
Sexy! Yeah, look at my reflection. You see that?
We got this guy being heated right now because it's freezing cold outside.
Yep.
But that RCA adjuster that I told you about 3 or 4 videos ago. Now I wasn't sure if this was gonna work because I daisy chain my amps just because it's easier that way. And I didn't know if I would need splitters and have to hook this up through both.
Yeah.
Down for
Damn.
Sam. What?
Yeah. YouTube, sihkiddkasper. Yes, sir. Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Sorry, I had to get that out of my system. Alright.
But I wasn't sure if I'd have to run splitters and hook up both of these. Let's see what happens.
Alright, we got this shit. 15 number 1, 15 number 2.
It's completely hot.
And all split it off.
So, just my little update video for the day. And I guess I'll make another one tomorrow when this box is completely finished. Oh, God. Nice resonance.
Yep.
Later.
Later.